Pinapaupan pa ako nitong matabi.
Ilan can you show?
Bukit mo.
Okay, so Ate Lot will show.
Sabi ni Brother kasi, sige, ako yung fan.
Okay, so the white on the right.
Nakaharap, yes. Nakaharap sa pare.
Nakaharap sa pare.
The handle facing to the priest. Kasi pag, so, practical.
It's easier to get. See? Ganyan tayo eh.
Old.
Bahala ka na, Father. Di ba dati nung kay Father Vince dito, ito yung hinahawakan natin yung handle kasi dito hawak si Father sa ano. Depende kasi sa pare, style niya. Parang si ano, parang may sa ano, inilipat ko na nga. Pag nagganon na naman yung cross, si kamay niya, si Father Tran. Oo, si Father Tran.
Si Father Tran ganyan na dapat ibigay mo na
Bigay mo ganyan. Kaya na, ganun nga pagbigay
Si Father Francis na ganyan dapat naman ganun.
Pinapaupan pa ako nitong matabi.
Ilan can you show?
Bukit mo.
Okay, so Ate Lot will show.
Sabi ni Brother kasi, sige, ako yung fan.
Okay, so the white on the right.
Nakaharap, yes. Nakaharap sa pare.
Nakaharap sa pare.
The handle facing to the priest. Kasi pag, so, practical.
It's easier to get. See? Ganyan tayo eh.
Mapatatagal.
And then, when we bow, if we are too close to the priest, one step backward. Otherwise, makaumpugan kayo.
Sa amin kasi yung paring nag-adjust.
Kaya yung, especially those servers, when incense the priest, dapat may distance.
May iba yung pare sa amin pag pag-anoin.
At least hindi yung malapit.
Sino?
So, I receive it like that. So maybe my question, ilan ba dapat?
Ayun! Yes,
Yes.
Ilan ba dapat?
2 by 2, 3
Okay. Ilan ba dapat?
2 by 2, 3 times.
So, 2 swings,
3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
Yes.
Okay? 2 swings,
And 3 times. Tulong sa inyo.
Sige. Kasi si Madre nagsabi. Tapos sa
Pwede naman.
ano?
Sa tao.
Sa tao.
Pero usually kasi we do that if together with the one celebrating priests. There's a question. Di ba yung parisan? Pwede na ba ang ganyan?
Iba-iba yung direksyon.
Pwede na ba na yun? Pwede yun kung may co-celebrant.
Kung dalawa
Pero kung isang si Father,
direct
direct mo na lang.
direction.
Tapos
Minsan
may
naman kasi,
co-celebrant. Para
Father,
ma-feel ang
pag may
co-celebrant,
con-celebrant,
nakasama siya.
yung con-celebrant yung nag-incense, di ba?
So ganito po yung gagawin natin.
Tanong mo nga.
For example, si Father J yung main presider, may mga con-celebrating priests. If may con-celebrating priests po, we will ask them to join. So yung hand gesture natin. So we will do like that. So yung role ng altar server yun, Father. That's why you remember, I told you earlier, you're the one leading the liturgy. Ang mga pari ay sumusunod sa Father. Alam na nila yun ang puntahin, Father. After sa Holy-Holy, di ba, Father? Alam nila na papuntahin mo doon malapit sa akin. So kayo mag-lead. Huwag matakot or mahiya. Kung matakot si Father, inutusan mo. Once in the Holy Mass,
kayo nang mag-lead ng mga pare. The priest will just follow you. Kung alam nyo. Pero pag hindi natin alam, pa na to.
Also, for example, tapos na tayo sa preparation of the gifts, prayer over the gifts. It's already the pre-fest and the Eucharistic prayer. So if there are concelebrating priests, sabi nga ni Father, tatawagin natin yung concelebrating priest to be with him sa altar table.
Example, so there's a priest, may priest yan na. Okay. Dito yung pare, halimbawa, tatlo dito.
And then we will call them.
So the priest, pag hindi na lang, alam niya nakapunta.
Hindi naman ganito. With finesse naman. Ano gano'n, no? Father.
Yes. Alam nila, pupunta yung pare doon, sa malapit sa altar. And then doon na kayo sa side, exit na kayo.
Yung Eucharistic prayer will be done by the concelebrants. So usually pag maraming pare, if you are the head server for that particular mass, you will already ask the priest, Father, can you do this part? Or this part? Or sometimes they will say, maybe you can ask Father RJ, for example. And then you will approach Father RJ. Father, can you please read this part for the Eucharistic prayer? So okay naman sa kanila. But always remember, you have your microphone with you. And alam mo kung kanino may bibigay.
Yes.
Yes, tita.
Question. So, will they know dun sa Roman Missal kung kailan pwedeng yung like for the concelebrant to say?
Yes. Yes. Because in the Roman Missal, you can see on the side concelebrants.
Yeah. Kaya huwag kayong matatakot tingnan yung inyong Roman Missal. Kasi naka-mark doon in red, concelebrant.
Bay nga tayo niyan. May nakita ko niyan sa
Di ba yung help? Yung kinuha natin sa
So,
library dati?
hindi yung
Tapos na ours.
hindi yung arbitrary
What I
na
meant sa atin,
inaasal yung father. Ito, sasabihin mo. Ito,
Hindi.
ito
Di ba
sasabihin mo,
yung-
father. Nakamark yun sa ating
Sa
Roman
Roman
Missal.
Missal. And also, if you have a deacon with you, so always remember, pag si deacon,
Hindi ko makuha.
may iba yung how we give the turibol to the priest. We always hand it to the deacon first. The deacon will give it to the priest. Pag may deacon.
We have permanent deacon.
I am the deacon. This is Bishop J. Normally, ang deacon mo na ito.
Ang bishop naman na hawak ko naman.
James.
Talaga yun.
Servant.
Kapatid ko, kahit kailan. Sabi ko, sab na daw yung bishop na.
The deacon.
Sab na yung mahawak ng mic.
Si Bishop talaga nagkawa ng mic.
And then, I'll give it to Bishop. But, just for example, nahirapan kayo. Sometimes, di ba yung kamay, nahirapan ano? Actually, just for practical lang, di ba, ganyan. Like James, just parang, no, yung kanina binigay mo lang ganyan.
Relax ka lang.
Pag nahirapan,
Taasan.
naguguluhan kayo, just be more practical na lang. Then,
Hawakan.
Gano'n na lang. Pero, ibig sabihin, tinaas si James, lift up, para dito kukunin. Tinaas pa dito. Pero kung alam niyo talaga, sure na kayo, bigay mo, di ba?
Yes, ganyan talaga.
Left, di ba? Left? Left kasi. Basta left dito yan, di ba? Kung pag hindi kayo sure, para lang na. Kasi iba na tayo. Taas mo lang. Kasi pali naman.
Tama yung bigay ko.
Basta, ang technique lang is,
No, your left and right.
huwag kayong magpapanik And huwag kayong magpapa-obvious na mali yung ginawa nyo. Because the congregation doesn't know what you're doing.
Correct.
Okay?
What is important, yung parang tayo lang nakalam nun eh. Mali naman tayo lang alam na mali. Ano? Kayo ba, walang pakialam. Pero kayo, nagkamali na, nag-away-away na kayo doon. Sila, nagtaka na lang sila, bakit ganyan? Alam na nila, nagkamali kayo. Pero pag walang reaksyon, tuloy-tuloy po. Hindi na alam na nagkamali to.
Itanong nyo kasi.
Father,
Magtatanong ako. Sa parish,
Itong microphone, tanong mo kay Pangko.
matanong ko lang po, brother, kasi sa parish namin is, ang incense sa pare is 3 by 3.
Yes, 3 by 3.
Is that okay too? Kasi actually before, when our priest there is Father Vince, we're used to having it 3 by 3. And then when Sister Regina came,
Yes.
she changed it into 2 by 3. And now again,
Back to 3 by 3.
said by Sister Therese. So we're so confused. And same with the parishioners. How do we, how many swings do we need to do? Thank you.
actually, how we incense the priest, dapat ganun din we incense the parishioner. Because we are all representation of Christ. Diba? So, actually, in the ceremonial of bishops, in the guidelines that we have, it's actually 2 by 3. But of course, we cannot demand, or we cannot if the priest likes it, then so be it.
That's why I told you in the beginning, we just teach you what is in the general instruction of Roman Missal, yung proper. But the rest of the priest will say, 3 by 3, we just follow. Sila naman natin. So, but another reason why the 3 should be preserved to the altar to God. That's why hindi naman ito Diyos. So, dalawa lang. Ibig sabihin, higher ang Alboa. 3 ka doon. Tapos, doon sa altar, dalawa lang. Sino bang higher? Yun ang punto. Nakuha niyo?
Yes, Father. Yes, Father.
Higher, of course, to God.
Okay.
So, yung 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pero ang pari na pagpunta dito sa altar, 3, 3, 3. But, again, tayo lang nakalangan, ano? So,